What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to send money from TapTap Send app to GCash. So let's get started. Now first, once you open up your TapTap Send app, you would need to select Philippines as the recipient country right here at this upper menu. So because I've already selected Philippines, I would just need to input the amount of funds that I would like to transfer to Philippines or to a GCash account. Now also, if this is your first transfer with TapTap Send, you can use the promo code from the description, and that way you will get $15 on that transfer. So be sure to use that promo code and get some free cash when you can. So next up, you would just need to input the amount. So in my case, I'll transfer 10 euros. Just like so. And once you inputted the amount that you would like to transfer from TapTap Send to a GCash account in Philippines, you can just go ahead and tap next. Now from here you would need to tap add new recipient if you didn't make any transfers to GCash already, so just go ahead and tap that. And here you can select the recipient's payment method, so we will select GCash of course. Now on this screen you would just need to input the recipient's phone number and the name, and once you input both of those you can go ahead and tap next. So once you tap next, this will be the screen that you will see. So a payment confirmation screen. Now you would just need to scroll down and select the payment method. So I have it set for Google Pay, which in my opinion is the best because no fees are involved, but you can select whichever one works for you. So once you have your recipient selected and your payment method selected, you can just go ahead and tap Pay with Google Pay or whichever payment method you selected. And there we go. Our transfer is now processing. So I will just tap OK. And here under the activity, you can see the status of the transfer. So as you can see, it's already delivered. And again guys, if this is your first transfer using TapTap Send, don't forget to use the promo code from the description to get $15 on top of the amount that you're sending. So that's how you can send money from TapTap Send to GCash. Thank you for watching.